Are you looking for an EDM machine for sale? EDM Network Inc. offers everything in EDM. We have fully refurbished EDMs complete with on-site training and warranty. Plus, we offer our new Shimmer EDMs as well as a super high precision AMS Tech EDMs, a division of Shimmer, both from Taiwan. The Shimmer and AMS EDMs comprise 65 different models of EDM machines for sale, including ZNC and CNC sinkers, wire EDMs, and small hole EDM drillers up to 6 axis. In addition to drilling small holes fast, the EDM driller can also create 3D shapes with the optional software. Shimmer also offers linear motor drive, dust-free graphite mills that can also mill hard metals up to RC63. Shimmer EDM is a family-owned, exclusive EDM builder that was founded in 1975, and it is Taiwan's largest EDM builder. EDM Network is also a family-owned American small business that sells and supports only EDM products. Founded in 1992, we are an applications-oriented EDM sales company whose goal is to offer the best EDM fit for your application and budget. We also offer custom-built EDMs to handle the unusual application. Please visit our website, www.edmnetwork.com, to see the full range of our EDM machines for sale and all our products. Or give us a call at 1-888-289-3367 to discuss your EDM requirements.